Pretty tasty, huh? Chilly morning here in Saint Brevin. We spent the night in a campground, kind of an interesting place with lots of little motor homes, and we rented one of the homes. The owners couldn't speak any English, so they thought we were checking out at 9, so they've been waiting outside for about an hour while we were rushing. We thought we had till 11. But all's well that ends well. They were very friendly and very nice about it. And we're out on the road at about 10, which is early for us. But yeah, kind of an interesting place. It reminds you of a mobile home park in the States. We're completely lost. We have no idea how to get out of here. It's just a maze, but we'll figure it out somehow. Really a pretty ride this morning. Very lovely. Cool birds everywhere. A lot of shade. Different kind of flora going on here. Love it. Looking for a cup of coffee. Trying to find a cup of coffee and a little something to eat for breakfast has proved more difficult than you would expect. Bonjour. Merci. Well, not sure if it's because of where we are, but it seems easier to find picnic supplies at the Super U than it is at any market. I'm not seeing a whole lot of markets. A lot of Super U's around though.
So we loaded up on groceries at the Super U and we headed through the town to find a perfect morning picnic spot, preferably one with a view of the sea.
After a long and somewhat torturous route, we made our way back to the sea. Lovely little sandy beach. And I think we're gonna stay and have ourselves a little picnic. How about that? How's your sandwich, Sugar?
It's so good.
It's good cheese. C'est très bien. Très bon. Très bon. Very cool color shifts going on out there in the water. Just had a nice lunch on overlooking the beach. Now it looks like pleasant, more or less oceanside riding for the rest of our journey, another 30 miles or so. Very nice.
Our route led us through beautiful, sun-drenched villages with quayside cafes and boutique shops brimming with off-season sales.
Not a big surprise to see palm trees here. We've been seeing them all along the Loire, but here they're a little more pronounced.
At one of the shops, Julianna decided to stop and check out some of the wares. She found a lovely dress, perfect for riding in that uniquely French style.
Shoes leave something to be desired.
Yeah, the shoes are... Are you going to wear it?
I'm going to wear it.
This is just 10 euros.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye.
The shoes just make the outfit.
Yes, totally. And there she is,
Don't get the
modeling. Well, I got the shoes. The shoes are like somewhere between
disaster.
punk rock and babushka.
You laughing at me?
I'm smiling at your camera.
Take a picture of you. Thank you for the dress. You don't
I
look
think
at
it
the
should be
shoes.
in lime green, though,
Lime green, yeah.
to match your hair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
what you're thinking. Who's that cute little French girl in that dress on that bike following me?
I think you look well.
Thank you.
How's it feel?
It feels great. So airy. It's not hot at all.
It's been interesting riding. It's like we're just kind of riding through a big town. Similar, I guess, to Southern California in that you're never really away from homes or houses, but it's extremely pretty and very, very nice weather and just great riding. We're enjoying ourselves very much. Julianna is sporting a brand new, gorgeous, sexy little blue thing. So now she can ride like the French ladies do. Very nice. And much more photogenic, I think.
We were now following VELODYSEE, a 1,200-kilometer route that follows the Atlantic coast along the length of France. We would only ride less than a quarter of its full length, but it was refreshing to experience these distinctly different landscapes. The climate felt different, and the towns and architecture reflected a seaside feel, with whitewashed houses and terracotta roofs. We also saw more exotic flora and more people, definitely more people. Our ride today gradually led us into quieter realms and into more rural landscapes, which we of course very much appreciated. Nothing beats riding in the calm, serene countryside of France.
Well, hello there.
Hi, sweetheart.
Yeah, he's a gorgeous little fella.
Yeah. Oh, we got. Oh, yeah. Is that good? Oh, yeah.
Pretty tasty, huh?
That's good stuff.
Soon the route neared the coast once again, now at low tide, and into a land crisscrossed with waterways and ocean grasses, all aflutter with seabirds.
Well, Kamut just routed us over a walking bridge, a steep stepping bridge that went over this canal. Yeah, here's the bridge there. Kamut's recommending us to go over. I don't really want to do that. That's too many steps. It's too much unloading. We opted to go around it, which backtracked us only a mile or so, but boy, you realize going in the other direction how good the wind has been for us, because it is blowing hard in our face as we're backtracking. Thank goodness that we're heading south. Looks like the prevailing winds tend to go north-south. Here we're turning a corner. Immediately, you feel the relief. And there we go, no more wind. Full 360. Yeah, we're just sailing today. Beautiful conditions.
Wow.
Must have found a missile in his farmyard, or bomb rather. Planted it as a monument. Maybe this crossing will be a little easier here.
The route meandered this way and that, negotiating the endless maze of canals. The ocean breeze was fierce through here, but fortunately for us, it was at our backs.
Riding along here, got a really stiff cross breeze, kind of out in the middle of nowhere. Going through these dug up fields. And man, as soon as you cross that wind, it is kind of angry.
Old sunflower field. I wonder why they let them die.
So they have all these fishing cabins, it looks like. Not sure exactly what they're doing here. They're like along these canals, which I assume all connect to the ocean, which is right over there. They got these giant nets. Yeah, I assume this is all about catching fish. Look at all these. Curious to figure what that's all about. Along some kind of concrete dike here. You see the ocean off there. It's all at low tide. Just a lot of mud flats right now. Sometimes the wind works for you and sometimes it works against you. Here it's working for us as we're riding. It's at our backs and, you know, making all that beautiful electricity. Nice.
Wow, these wind turbines are massive. They're so powerful. Look how many watts they generate. I love the sound. Speaks to the power.
Loving this day. It's really, really pretty. Just a gorgeous day. Everything is whitewashed with these Mediterranean tiles. Really cool.
We made our way through the windy late afternoon, through more villages, until exhausted we finally reached our lovely B&B in Barre De Monts, a short ride from an oceanside restaurant where we finished our day in style. Superb.